All right, folks, what's going on? It's your man Jay, and yes, you see I have an inbox down here again, and I have disabled Gmail. Here it is. Inbox is back. I want to shout out to that person who let me know that I could go ahead and install version 1.77. I'll leave a link to this down below so you guys can get your inbox back on. No more ads, and we are golden. Simple as that, folks. I'm really upset that Google disabled this and it's directing everybody to Gmail. Some of you guys are indifferent about Gmail and inbox. Some people say inbox is the worst, but the reason I like inbox better is because it's more organized. It's organized. It's really simple to understand, and everything in Gmail is buried, or it has like these tabs and stuff, and it's just not a good look. So this is all personal preference. For those of you who want an inbox back, if you're not already using 1.77, here it is right here. It's an older build, and it came out in 2018. And yeah, last updated was September 11, 2018. So if this is for people who strictly want inbox, it totally works. I've been using it for at least the last 24 hours or so. There's other builds, as you can see down here, but the second one there from the top, 1.77.211, so on, that is the one that I'm using. That is the one that I'm going to link in the description. So try it at your own risk. I only had to install it once, and it worked fine on the first go around. No issues. So it's your man Jay. Inbox is back in the house. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.